Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving you can type accurately and quickly. Run a 5-10-minute WPM test and hit at least 60 WPM with 98% accuracy. Once done, prepare a quiet workspace, good headset, and simple software like a free player plus text editor. A foot pedal helps but is optional. Make sure to register on 2-3 platforms that match your interest, upload a strong sample, and apply for entry-level jobs immediately so you start building ratings and income. You now focus on delivering clean, consistent transcripts. Adopt a template with timestamps and speaker labels and follow client-style guides exactly. Once you start transcribing, rely on precise playback control, slow to 0. 75x, rewind 3 to 5 seconds, and loop unclear phrases so you avoid guessing. Make sure to use text expansion and macros for common phrases and timestamps to speed up work, and proofread at normal speed to catch errors before submission, improving your acceptance rate and pay. You wrap up by doing a final pass. Run spell check, confirm timestamps, normalize speaker labels, and mark any truly inaudible segments clearly. Once done, deliver through the client portal with a short note about choices you made and expected turnaround for revisions. If problems arise, poor audio, unclear speakers, ask for the original waveform or a cleaner file, suggest a short paid redo, and provide one sample edit to demonstrate improved quality. This keeps clients trusting you and reduces disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.